Before we dive into specific use cases, let's briefly discuss the underlying AI technologies that power Siri on the iPhone 16. These include natural language processing, or NLP. Siri can understand and respond to human language in a more natural and conversational way. Machine learning. Siri's AI algorithms continuously learn and improve based on your interactions, making it more personalized and effective over time. And contextual awareness. Siri can understand the context of your requests, taking into account your location, past interactions, and other relevant information. Basic Siri commands. To activate Siri, simply say, "Hey Siri," or press and hold the side button. Once Siri is listening, you can ask her to perform various tasks, such as set reminders and alarms. Set a reminder to call Mum tomorrow at 2 p.m. Send messages. Send a message to John saying I'll be late. Make calls, call my wife. Play music, play my favorite playlist on Apple Music. Search for information. What's the weather like today? Advanced Siri features. These Siri Shortcuts. Create custom shortcuts to automate repetitive tasks. For example, you could create a shortcut to turn off your lights, lock your doors, and set your alarm all at once. To create a shortcut, open the Shortcuts app and tap the plus button. Add the desired actions, then assign a phrase to activate the shortcut. Siri can suggest relevant actions based on your context and history. For instance, if you're in your car and it's about to rain, Siri might suggest turning on your windshield wipers. To enable Siri Suggestions, go to Settings, then Siri and Search, and toggle on Siri Suggestions. Siri can learn your preferences and habits over time, making its suggestions more personalized. For example, if you frequently order the same coffee from Starbucks, Siri might suggest ordering it for you. To improve Siri's intelligence, use Siri regularly and provide feedback on its suggestions. Hands-free Siri. With the iPhone 16, you can use Siri hands-free even when your phone is locked. Simply say, "Hey Siri," and your device will respond. Siri and HomeKit. Siri can control your HomeKit-compatible devices, allowing you to automate your home. For example, you can say, "Hey Siri, turn off the living room lights." Real-world examples of Siri's advanced AI capabilities. Personalized recommendations. Siri can suggest apps, movies, and TV shows based on your viewing history. Language translation. Siri can translate text and speech between different languages. Smart home integration. Siri can control your smart home devices such as thermostats, lights, and security systems. Proactive assistance. Siri can anticipate your needs and offer helpful suggestions, such as reminding you to take your medication or suggesting a nearby restaurant. Tips for getting the most out of Siri. Be specific. The more specific your requests, the better Siri can understand and fulfill them. Experiment with different commands. Don't be afraid to try different ways of phrasing your requests. Provide feedback. Let Siri know if it's doing a good job or if there's something you'd like it to improve on. Take advantage of Siri Shortcuts. Create custom shortcuts to automate repetitive tasks and save time. Keep your iPhone updated. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest software to benefit from the latest Siri features and improvements.